Good morning, YouTube. Just waking up. I've been sleeping in a little camper for the past, I don't know, a few weeks now, maybe a month. Been having my house full with a bunch of really awesome BMX racers. I've just been enjoying sleeping outside in the camper, having a little bit of privacy, feeling like I'm more outside. But I wanted to take you with me today. I know I've been pretty absent on YouTube, and I want to make it a goal to get on here more and just show a little bit more of my life and show a little bit more of myself as well. The weekend was a little gnarly. I was racing up in St. Augustine, Florida, and I was feeling fast, I was feeling good, and my shoulder dislocated again for what it feels like almost no reason. I've been really struggling with shoulder dislocations for a while now, and now it just seems like it's coming out almost for no reason. I've been doing everything I know to do, you know, as far as I've been doubled down on therapy. Every single day I've been doing therapy. I've been eating as best as I possibly can. I'm talking bone broth, bone marrow, liver, heart, like the highest quality foods. I'm talking all local grass-fed stuff that we've grown, from, and just doing the best I can. But I got a lot of stuff to do today, and I wanted to take you guys with me. We bought a new steer a week ago, and I'm going to introduce the steer to the herd. And I've been gone all weekend, so the chickens definitely need fed, and they need some fresh water as well. And just gonna do some other work around the farm. I'm gonna take you guys with me, so come on, let's go. Here's the little camper set up. That's one of the big goals this year at the farm, is to set up a camping section at the farm. So we really got the BMX track pretty much dialed, but now me and Jace Move have been staying in campers. That's actually his parents' camper, his dad's camper, that really helped us build this whole place. And that's one of our big goals this year, is to have a road come in with slots coming in for the campers, so people can come here and train with us and just stop by and enjoy the farm with us and create a bit of a community. And see, that's going to be Jace Moo's camper right there. And you can see we've been planting some plants. We've got some bananas, peaches, mangoes, more bananas, guavas, cranberry hibiscus, special limes, mulberries. Oh, I've been waiting for these. These bananas looking like they pretty much ready. Okay then. Yes. Beautiful little sunrise. She legit. In the coffee. One interesting thing that I like to do, and I tell all the people who are here helping me with the chickens as well, when other people do our chickens, or really fill up any water for any animal or any person, is think love thoughts. not sure if you guys have heard this, but water is actually just a blank sheet of information, and just to give love thoughts, gives the water good high vibrations. May sound a little woo-woo, but there's this Japanese scientist that actually proved it when he put like 2 glasses of water down, and he made one with like positive thoughts like love, joy, happiness, and the other one was like hate and all that stuff, and then measured the water and measured its energy and vibration, and it was just so much better and healthier. And we are 80% water or 70% water, so healthy chickens, healthy humans. Love you, chickens. You film it a little bit? Yeah. Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Alright, I don't know how this is gonna go, but I'm introducing our new steer to the herd. And the thing is, the steer has never seen an electric fence, so that's the biggest concern. I just don't know how he's gonna act to it. He could just run right through it and take the whole thing down, and then we got the whole herd out, or he could touch it and then just completely freak out. But hopefully it all goes smooth. I'm gonna bring the herd that knows the electric fence into the corral first, see if they meet, and then usually when they're all together, they'll all kind of do the same thing. So that's what I'm hoping. But I'm not sure what's gonna happen. You ready, Tiger? I got some friends for you.
Hello, Mr. Cow.
Heck yo! Heck yo! Heck yo! This electric fence is on right now.
Yeah. Is that the one you've just put up?
Yeah, I just ran a little lane.
Yeah.
So, I gotta get over this thing.
Just jump it.
I don't know if my shoulder wants to jump right now.
Oh,
yeah. Hey, you! Hey, Cal. Are you sure you want to be in here?
I gotta film. Cameraman never dies.
Yo, honestly, it might be best if you get out on the outside, because it might spook them. Hey, Cal! Hey, Cal! Hey, Cal! Look at him run. Hey, Cal! Hey. So when I get all cows in that corral, hopefully that happens. When I get all cows in that corral, you got to go in behind me and shut that gate.
Which gate? Oh, the better one there?
Yeah. And then I'll have all the cows in that small corral, and then I'll open up the other one.
Yeah.
Hey, Kel! Come on, Kel! Back up a little bit. Back up like that way. That way, that way, that way. Hey, Kel! Hey, Kel! Hey, Kel! Come on, Kel! Hey, Kel! Hey, Kel! Come on, Kel! Hey, Kel! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Come on, Kel!
Yeah. Get in there. Yeah. And the other one's walking. Do we keep them in?
Huh? That cow don't know that fence.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that cow don't know that fence. Oh, he's gonna jump it. Don't jump that fence, please, cow.
Oh no. Oh no, he's gone under the fence.
Oh, no. That's not good.
How do you get him back in?
I don't know.
Oh, he's going back under the fence. He's back in.
Oh, we're good. Now we're good. Now we're good. That cow didn't give fuck all to that fence, huh? Alright, now let's do all that. Come on, cow. Whoa! Oh, look at him go! Come on, cow. Hey, come on. Come on. What's up, cow?
Yeah?
This is the bull.
Yeah.
Actually a good bull. What do you think about your new friend? Buddy, you gotta be easy rolling up on me like that. Buddy. What do you think about all this room, bud? Hey, buddy. Oh. Just gave me a big old kiss. Did you see that? Yeah, bud.
He's trying to get his food.
Huh?
He's trying to get his food.
But what do you think about your new friend? Yo, look at Mama. Mama is pregnant.
Oh.
Zooming into that.
Yeah.
Dude, I can't believe the cow just went under and then back over. That was so, dude. Hey, that was fucking lucky.
Yeah.
But why you looking at me crazy? Come on, Dave. What you want? Oh, you pregnant as hell. What do you think about your new friend? Hey, bud, don't go. Where are you going, bud? Where are you going, bud?
Not sure. Yeah. He's
He's wild, bro.
yeah.
They're like the same size. Gary, the tiger.
Is that the other young one?
Huh?
Is that the other young one?
Yeah, she was born here in July.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's the bull. He's in charge here, but please don't push me into it, man. You're a friend, bro. You gotta be careful with this.
Yeah.
Just because he really runs shit around here. Like, this is his space. But you want all the treats? But stay away from that fence. What, you gonna rob me, bud? Just gonna let him chill for a bit. Everybody, sweet girl. No, stay away from that fence. Here you go, bud. Bud, you gonna rob me, bud? Oh, bud, you're outside the fence again, bud. That's not good.
This is a terrible fence.
Like normally, like after they learn the electric fence, they really do a good job staying away from it, but
Yeah.
that's not good. He just goes right under it.
He's touching it. You sure it's on?
No.
Because he just like rubbed his face against it and it didn't do anything.
All right, that was my fear. He wouldn't know the fence, and he just went right under it. Damn it, Bud. Hey, Bud, where you going? Bud, your friends are over there, Bud. All right, that almost went smooth until it didn't. Looks like he went right into where we wanted him, but he's just going right under the electric fence, so it didn't help. Didn't really work that much. So I'm gonna make sure that this front gate's shut, which I probably should have done before I even started this whole thing. But I do know cows like to be in herds, so I don't think he's gonna go too far, because I'm pretty confident that he's gonna work his way back to the herd, hopefully. Yeah, he's not even close to the herd. He's just kind of finding his own space and his own grass. Herd is way over there. But I think he's enjoying having all the space. Pretty sure even when I got him, he was cooped up in a small pen for a pretty long time. So I don't think he's had this much space in a while. All right, as I hoped, he made his way back to his herd. I probably should have trained him on the electric fence, but I was hoping, I don't know what I was thinking, honestly. Tiger, you're supposed to be in there with them, bud. Buddy. Buddy, all the treats are in there. You gotta go in there and get the treats, buddy.
How many are there?
Somewhere between 5 and 20.
Right.
Think that works, boss.
Mm.
Think that works. Going in or out? Bud, what the fuck?
It's just under the fence again.
Fence don't work on him, does it? I know, bud. I know. It's crazy, like once they're trained on the fence, they really won't fuck. Whoa, buddy. I'm your friend. Bud, you're on the wrong side of the fucking fence, dude. Bud, you're not going this way, bud. You're not going this way, buddy. Here, come on. Go under. Go under. But you're not going. Looks like we got the cattle all in one place. They'll slowly become friends and start working together soon.
Making a fence.
Nice and unstable. Can you guys not mess up the electric fence? Oh, great. Yeah, that thing's gonna be fucking popped up.
With a fence. How did you learn to look after a cow, like the cows? Did you just figure it out?
Well, I bought 3 cows.
Yeah.
Are you filming this?
Well, yeah.
Alright, well, I bought 3 cows. And then about every other day, they kept getting away.
Alright.
So I learned how to herd cattle and make fence.
Yeah.
Dos huevos. We got more in this, but just two nice, pretty clean ones I grabbed. Today's been pretty wild. Got the cows in together, got the chickens all nice and taken care of. Did some book work, planned my week, working on planning my month. Just trying to stay productive and focus on the goal as much as I can. Really trying to limit my distractions. Every time I catch myself wandering off on some bullshit or, you know, trying to chase some dopamine, I try to catch myself, be mindful, and then bring myself back to the present and back to the goal. But that's been the intention, and I really want to start doing more YouTube and connecting with you guys more on here. So leave some comments below of some more things that you want to see around the farm or want to see me be doing throughout my life. And yeah, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share. I think tonight we have 2 athletes here tonight that really want to go hunting. And I believe that hunting is one of the best things that we can do, really one of the best ways that we can feed ourselves. It's actually the most sustainable, eco-friendly way that we can eat. A lot of people don't realize that, but and not only helps manage the population so the ecosystem can thrive, but wild food is actually the healthiest, most natural, nutrient-dense food that we can get, especially if it's coming from a natural, healthy ecosystem, right? Because we are only as healthy as our food is only as healthy as the ecosystem that it's grown in. So yeah, we've really been doing the best job we can on nourishing our ecosystem and our environment, and we actually have a ridiculous amount of wild hogs that are tearing up the land, and they're just getting out of control. They're super invasive, and they also happen to be pretty delicious, and some of the best food that we can feed our young growing athletes, some high quality nutrition, and that just helps the ecosystem thrive to manage their population. So yeah, we're gonna go hunting a little later on today. Hopefully we have a little bit of success, and throw that into some ground pork and some nice back straps to feed and nourish these athletes. I understand that hunting is not for everyone, but I highly recommend you befriending a hunter or a fisherman, because they always have a surplus of food, and I noticed they're usually willing to share, and it's some of the best food that we can get. So be on the lookout for a friend who's a fisherman or a hunter, and see if you can get some of that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Dos huevos, we out, mi amigo.